Yeah guys, so today we are going to learn, this is a part of Dockerfile only. So today we will learn how we write the Dockerfile and how we will execute and so on. So like today like I will explain about this, the command from keyword, run keyword, how it is works, right? Okay, so let me explain. I had already opened in the notepad, and I'll mention here already. Actually, you will see here, right? You can see, right? So from this is a keyword actually, which we will use in every Docker file, and it will start from the keyword always. So your Docker file will always starts from, you can see right here, our Docker file will always start from keyword, and it defines the base image of the container, right? And run command, run keyword what exactly play the role of a run keyword to execute some command in the container. For example, we have to install this apt install, I mean we have to update this, right? Yeah guys, so in this Docker file we are going to update the packages, and then we are going to install the Apache, and then we are going to install Git also, and we are going to create a file called file1, and we will also create a file with the text, which file having the good morning text. Okay. So in my previous video, if you don't know, you can go and we had deployed using Docker. We had deployment and application using Docker. Okay, but that was manually, and today we are going to everything install by using the Docker file. In my previous video we had installed everything by the command, I mean by the manually, but today in this video we are going to install everything by the Docker file. Okay, so let's get started guys. So like I have created Docker file, right, which contains some of the commands, couple of the commands, and now let's move further. So okay, if you want to verify the Docker file what content here, you can see right here, these are all the commands. Okay, now we have created Docker file now, right? Now we have to run this Docker file, right? How we can run this Docker file? So by using the command, okay, so by using the command docker build -t my image, right, and space dot. So the image name which I'm going to give this name, okay, and docker build, this is the command which will generate a image. Okay, so this command will build the Docker file and create the custom image with the name my image, right? And the dot means the Docker file in the current directory where we are running the command. Okay, so and -t is nothing but tagging. I'm tagging like hashtag, right? Hashtag AWS, or hashtag my name, or hashtag anything. So we are mentioning here the tag will be the my image. Okay, now let me hit enter. So something we are getting Docker. Okay, we haven't installed the Docker. Okay guys, okay, got it. Yeah, I think correct. Yeah, correct. Okay, so let me install first Docker. Okay, so I have to update first. Let me update the packages, all the packages. Apt install docker dot io open there. Once it is, yeah, it's been installed. Okay, now we will run that command which we are trying to get previously. Okay, so docker, let me clear the console also. So docker hyphen hyphen version, I will see the version now. So docker build hyphen t my image and dot. Okay, so app does not have a static CLI. Git hyphen version. Okay, what we install, let me do ls. So only we have Dockerfile. What is wrong? Use the caution scripts. Guys, why we are getting that error? Let me open my Docker image file. Okay, so let me edit this file. So instead of app, can we use apt get? Okay, let me try with this. We don't know actually. I'm not sure, but let me try. Okay. First, let me check Docker PS. Okay, it's exited right. Um, Docker PS okay. There is no container. Now let me run the Docker build t my image dot. Yeah, guys, that error has been resolved actually, but now we are getting different error. So what is enable to locate package Apache 2? Is it? Guys, let me edit once again the Docker file. Okay, why we are getting like this error? We don't know actually. Instead of this, we will use this command. let me delete existing one that container. Okay, docker rm and docker id. Okay, so we don't have any container now. Clear this console. Okay, now let me run once again that image docker file. What's the wrong here, guys? Why we are getting this error? Unknown sort and flag. So why we are getting this one? Have you guys noticed? Because this is a not this is a way this is not a build. That is a build, right? But we have to. This is a like a type of mistake actually. Build, not a build. No. Still we are getting. Why we are getting? Yeah, now guys, it's done actually. So ls let me run one more time. First let me read the existing docker container. Okay, docker copy and paste. So we don't have any. Now clear. Now let me run that docker file. What's wrong here? It's running actually, but giving it a warning, guys. Yeah, warning, that's okay. Warnings are can be neglected, right? Yeah. So let me do ls, but still. Okay. Yeah. So guys, we have installed the required packages, and yeah, okay. Now we have created what images of the container. Now we will create a container from this custom image, right? How we can do that? So for that, docker run interactive mode, interactive terminal mode, and name of the container we will give hyphen name. Let's say C02. Okay, so my image and bin bash terminal. Okay, now so in this docker file, if you guys notice, we have gave the command to create a file, right? If we do ls here, so that file should be there. Let me type ls. See, you can see that file1, right? We have give the command to create a file. If you want, I'll show you as well. Wait a minute, wait a second. Okay, so level 3. Okay, and okay. See, if you notice, guys, here we have run this command, right? Run touch file1, and second one, this also been created, but it's having the good morning content. If you want to verify this file whether it's having the content or not, so let me run this command cat hello. You will see, right? Good morning. That means we have created container, and we have created first image, and with the image we have created a container, right? Now let me check the container. It is up and running actually. So control, how we can come out of this container, but container should be running modes, control P and control Q. So we come out of the container. Okay, now let me check whether this container running or not. Let me PS. So it is up and running, correct? Yeah. So guys, that's all I wanted to show you actually, like how we can run, how we can create an image, and how we can run the container from the image, and how we can create the container from the image. So yeah, and I'll show you in the next video like Docker composers. Okay, so be stay here and be positive and be, and guys, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel, and if you have any doubts, just do let me know in the comment box. Okay, so I'll reply over there. Thank you guys, thank you.